Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss class 8 chapter 7 network second part. In the previous class we have discussed the introduction of network, the basic requirement of hardware and software to establishment of network like computer, modem, switches, router, hubs we need for establishing the network. Network cables are required to connect the external devices from each other. There's a different type of cables like coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, and many more cables are available. Network card, there's a two type of network card, internal network card and external network card. Universal serial bus, which is short form is USB. USB is needed when you have to transfer your data from one computer to another computer. And today we will discuss types of network. So there's a different type of network which depends on the geographical area covered by a network. Computer network used worldwide. So depend on the area, if you are using between the two computer, and if you are using for personal use, if you are connecting through the cities, the name are given for the different type of network. First we will start personal area network. PAN is a computer network that covers a small area of about 10 meters. A network within a 10 meter is called personal area network. Personal means for individual use. If you are using, then it is called personal area network. It is used for communication among devices such as laptop, mobile phone, smartphone. As you can see in the picture that one laptop are connected through mouse, printer, phone, headphone and another mobile phone. So this is used for personal use. If we have connected a mobile phone via wired and headphone and printer, so if we have connected a Bluetooth from one computer to another computer for personal use, that is called personal area network. Next is local area network. In LAN, two or more computer and peripheral devices are connected within a small area such as room or office building. In LAN, computer terminals are physically connected with wires. The best example of LAN is a computer lab, college lab, and there is like 10 and 20 computers are connected with each other via wired for sharing their data and information. So that type of network is called local area network. Establishing a network within a room for sharing their data and information is called local area network. Next one is cluster area network or campus area network. Campus area network comprising a series of small LAN over a small geographical area such as college campus. Like example of the campus area network is the college campus. When 3, 4 or 5 buildings are connected through each other for sharing data network, that type of network are called campus area network. As you can see in the image, there's a 4 building campus building, and all will, if all will connect with each other for sharing their data and resources, so that type of network are called campus area network. The establishment of 4 small local area network is together is called campus area network. So it can be wirelessly connected with each other. Metropolitan area network. MAN is a larger network than LAN. It is spread across the city. A network across the city is called metropolitan area network. Since it covers an area of few hundred kilometers in a city, it is called metropolitan. The most common example of MAN type of network is the cable television, branches of local bank in a city, etc. So if a network, as we know that cable television network, it is connected across the city for displaying the television, and branches of local bank, if they are able to communicate with each other, all the computer are connected with each other for connecting. So this type of network is called metropolitan area network. So as you can see in the image that across the city, if we are able to communicating with each other, that network is called metropolitan area network. Last one is wide area network, which is called WAN. The kind of network connects two or more computer loaded at a distance places. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signal. So best example of wide area network is the internet, international network. Doesn't matter where the person is, we can easily connect with them or he or she. So that type of network is called wide area network. So one of the best example is telecommunication, mobile phone or a satellite signal. The most common example of WAN type network is the telecom system. The best example of WAN are internet or intranet in a large multinational company, ATM facilities, national and multinational bank customer service. So connecting worldwide for sharing data, for talking, that type of network is called wide area network. See the here different type of LAN and MAN are connected with each other, that it makes the WAN, wide area network. One of the these area here in this picture, you can see the different type of network are connected with each other to make a wide area network. Personal area network for individual person, if they are using for personal use, that is called personal area network. Local area network, if the network within a building or within a room, that type of network is called local area network. Establishment of 20 and 30 computer for sharing data in it. Metropolitan area network, if 3-4 buildings are connected with each other, or cities are connected with each other for sharing data and resources, is called metropolitan area network. One more, campus area network, when 4-5 buildings are connected with each other for sharing data and resources, is called campus area network. And last one, wide area network, when all the areas worldwide it is connected with each other. All local area network, personal area network and metropolitan area network and campus area network are able to communicate with each other, that makes the worldwide area network. Hope types of network are clear. Next is terms related to internet. The terms which is related to internet. First is, what is the internet? Internet stands for international network. We all know what is the use of internet. The internet is a global wide area network that connects computer system across the world. It provides a variety of information and communication facilities. So internet provides the communication facilities. We can communicate with the any person, doesn't matter how far they are from us. Intranet refers to a computer network within a organization used to share file and resources of the organization securely. For example, the employees of the same airline that are interlinked with each other. So intranet are used for basically for a particular organization, like any organization, any company are set the intranet for sharing a data information or for connecting with each other within a organization. No another person can interfere with this company. Next one is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. URL denotes the unique address of the web page or website. To open a web page, its URL is entered in the address bar of web browser. So to open anything, like if I want to search www.google.com, so that google.com is the URL. Internet Service Provider, ISP, is the company that provides internet access to its user or subscriber, like Jio, Airtel, Vodafone. It is the company which provides the internet. IP address. An IP address consists of the unique set of numbers which is provided to the each computer. Means individual computer have their personal IP address, it is a 32-bit numeric address containing a set of 4 numbers which varies from 0 to 255. Each computer has a unique IP address, and the IP address, like a phone number, contain information about the location of the computer on the internet. So each computer or mobile phone get their individual unique IP address, and with the help of these IP address it contain information about the location of the computer on the internet, where the computer is used and who is in which area. So it basically traces the location of the computer. We can trace the location of the computer with the help of IP address. The further topics we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.